We do now the sympathy antipathy exercise, and there again we start in the heart. We let go down, we feel down, and when we go down, we enter this flow which comes from behind and takes our feelings or what we bring down along. Yeah? That's why this feeling starts streaming out. And then when we come back, yeah, against the stream from behind, we stay down there, but still, when we stay down there, even then, or even more, in the end, we experience ourselves also being here, but differently now. And this we do with the right foot and very slowly. When we go back afterwards, the left foot straightens and the right foot goes back, and the verticality of us becomes stronger and we feel very centered. And when we come back from behind, we keep this centeredness in us and do not give it up until we have arrived in the center. And then it starts again. From our center, we slowly sink down. The left leg carries us down. We feel the stream coming from behind, taking us along, and we go along with it and we let it stream for a while. Stream. And slowly we come back, the left leg carries us up again. And we stay connected with down there. And we feel both legs, we feel the hips, the left hip, the right hip. And let them talk with each other. And we say thank you to the left hip, that it was carrying us all the time. Then we go backwards. The left foot carefully goes backwards into the space behind. The spine is stretching. The left leg is stretching. The view is straight towards, we say, we don't like that. We feel centered, and slowly we bring our right foot back to the center, and very carefully we try to keep the centeredness. Again, we feel both hips, and they say thank you to the left hip for carrying us. We let the breath react. We slowly sink down into the slower streams. We go with them. We let it stream. And very slowly we come back. The left leg carries us up, but we stay connected with down there. Both feet rest on the ground. We feel our hips and we wait a little bit until they feel good. We compare them and the legs. And when everything feels okay again, we continue with antipathy. The left leg stretches, the right foot goes behind, and all the stretching energy arrives in our spine. We feel centered. The breath becomes big, the head rises, and we keep this feeling of uprightness and centeredness. Then we slowly come back to the center again. Both feet rest on the ground, the breath may react. The left hip may expand and relax. Left hip and right hip may talk to each other. Be kind to each other. And we do it the last time. We go down, and maybe we don't even need the hands to stream forward. We go down and are taken along with the streaming forward. It streams out there, it streams. Warmth is going into the world from us. And slowly we come up again. But stay grounded. And rest on both feet. The breath reacts, the hips talk with each other. Thank you, dear left hip. The right leg goes backwards. The left one stretches. I become upright, big, clear. And I return to my center, keeping this attitude in the body. The breath may react, the legs may relax, the hips get their pause. Slowly, without losing this energy, go to your seat and have a short break to listen to the resonance. How does my upper system, my chest feel now? Is it symmetrical, left and right? Even if there are only slight differences, they can only be slight. Just try to notice it. What about your legs? What about the feet? Do you feel the need to let go and to sink into your seat? Or does it feel good? Does the body feel held? And does it like it to stay in an upright position? Both would be okay, but how is it in your case? How do you feel your arms? They didn't do that much, but do you feel reactions in them too? These kinds of questions you can put. Where does your body feel enlivened? And where does it feel more dull? It can't be everywhere the same.